So the IRT for us is a godsend. It's truly a blessing. It provides an opportunity for the citizens of our community who are uninsured or underinsured to be provided healthcare services at no cost to the recipients. I was not prepared for the reality. It's amazing when you prepare for an operation such as this one, and you're a civilian and have no idea of what to expect other than, this will be a good thing for the community. But I was appalled when this all came together, and to step into the Civic Center, for instance, and see it actually transform into a medical clinic. I've been around for years, and I've been in and out of that building for years. Never in my wildest dream would I have imagined that medics from across the country, East Coast to West Coast, would converge on our city and bring this kind of helpfulness and services to our community. So for me, I never imagined. It was the furthest thing from my mind. Although we heard the descriptions, it's certainly a realization of a picture's worth of 1,000 words, because I had no idea that I couldn't envision what I actually saw. So I say again, we are so grateful and we're so privileged to have all the branches of the military here coming into the city to provide services to our citizens.
The great thing about this mission is that we have the opportunity to collaborate with the military to provide these needed medical services. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for our community because it builds trust between the community and the military. The military is providing these services. The community, this being a military community, understands that the military is here to help. And so after this exercise is over, what I hope that we do in the community is build a stronger relationship so that we can partner with our local military bases to provide additional services in the future. So on the very first day of this exercise, I walked into the Civic Center and was stopped by a homeless man who told me that he was coming to have multiple teeth pulled, and that if it weren't for these services, he would have to spend $5,000 to have this done in one of the local clinics. I encountered him on my way out, and he stopped me in tears, telling me how thankful he was for the military and the services that they're providing, not only for him, but also for the community.
It's been amazing. Everybody is really grateful for what we're doing here, which makes this whole thing even better. It's really a good feeling to give back to the community. It's not something that you see very often in the military, going out and providing services for our own. We do humanitarian missions all throughout the world, but it's really nice to be able to do it here, in our own country, which is just wonderful. And these people have just been so grateful. I mean, sometimes they're moved to tears when we give them their free glasses, or they get their teeth pulled, or some services that they've been needing but just can't afford.
As you can see, this innovative readiness training mission has had a huge impact, not only on the community, but also for us as the troops that are participating. We have seen countless numbers of patients that go away in tears, thankful for what they have received here during this time in Savannah. From the training side of the house, we have seen medics, as well as our Department of Public Health, all kinds of community partners stepping up to not only assist us in basic training such as CPR, advanced cardiac life support, PALS, as well as some interesting training with our canine companions. We've also been able to complete all of our required training skills to prepare us for deployments, as well as to assist if disaster were to strike in the homeland. Being able to work together with all of our military partners, the Navy, the Army, the Air Force, the Marine Corps, not only the National Guard, the Reserves, active duty, we're now able to learn each other's languages. We're able to start working together, even learning how to turn on some of the equipment. This is something new for everyone. Everyone has learned, and this is indispensable for our future. It has also had a great impact emotionally, because now we're taking care of our own community members. for those of us here locally, we're taking care of our own, and this is truly important, and I hope that we have the chance to do it again.